Which one is better, the yen or the Australian dollar? Which strategies work best and exactly in which trading sessions? What is the best time to trade popular currency pairs? Hello everyone, my name is Victoria and I'm glad to see you on my YouTube channel. In this video we will look into types of trading sessions. Watch this video till the very end because there I have prepared a little competition for all of you. Let's get down to business. It is extremely important to know the schedule of trading sessions in order to properly organize work on the market. Precisely because of the lack of knowledge of this nuance, a lot of beginners get the misleading information that they can trade with equal efficiency 24 hours a day. Most commonly, a lot of traders' problems arise because of this. You need to realize that what's important is not just constantly being in the market, but making the right choice of session, because this is what will allow you to earn more on binary options. The region of trading sessions and associated macro and microeconomic indicators have a significant impact on the dynamics, trading volumes, and liquidity of the binary options market in a certain period of time. Taking into account temporary features makes it possible to increase the profitability of a trading strategy, choose the right asset, and avoid unnecessary losses. The schedule of trading sessions and operating hours of currency exchange is set according to UTC, Coordinated Universal Time. Broker terminals may use local time by default, and in this case, if possible, set the settings to 0 offset from UTC. Let's now look at what types of trading sessions are there. And the first trading session that we will analyze is Asian. Asian trading session lasts from 0 to 9 UTC time, the beginning of a trading day and the main market dynamics. During this trading session, about 25% of transactions are made in yen, yuan, and the Singapore dollar. Main properties of these sessions are: first, a thin market with low liquidity. This period is used by big players to primarily move the market to the price levels they need, and the issue of current profit fades into the background. Second, Australian and Japanese statistics released during this period establish daily ranges for pairs with AUD and JPY. Speeches by officials are usually scheduled for the end of the session. Third, the most of the yen comes from large dollar investors and the Bank of Japan, which carries out interventions and transactions to convert the yen into the US dollar among large exporters. Remember that if there was active trading in the major pairs in the previous trading session, then the current one may be a period of general consolidation. For those who are not afraid to take risks, the Asian binary options trading sessions will be the most profitable for the USD JPY, GBP CHF, and GBP JPY pairs. At this time period, these pairs have a wide range of movement, which provides good opportunities for short-term deals within the general trend. Asia-Europe overlap from 7 to 9 UTC time. European markets in Moscow, Frankfurt, and Johannesburg begin work at 7 UTC time, and over the next 2 hours of trading sessions, positions are opened together with Asia. This is the lowest volatility period of the day, during which overnight gains and losses are established before London opens. Europe from 7 to 16:30 UTC time, the most predictable period in terms of technical analysis. After 10 UTC time, price impulses become less aggressive and will begin to rise only before the opening of the American market. Current trends in the EUR, GBP, and the CHF determine in the first 2 to 3 hours of the trading session. Trading volumes for the USD JPY, GBP JPY, and the EUR JPY currency pairs are increasing. News has its strongest feedback before 10 UTC time. Increased volatility is observed in the second half of the trading session. The European currency market will continue to remain the largest in terms of activity and volume of deals. It offers the largest selection of liquid assets. Any strategy can be used in the daily trading range. The large fluctuations on sterling cross pairs make it the best choice for a scalping strategy. News trading on European events is possible, but it is significantly inferior after the opening of the American trading session. At 11 to 13 UTC time, the European trading session is strongly influenced by the closing of oil trading. As a result, a short-term rise in the euro is possible. Next comes the Europe-America overlap from 13:30 to 16:30 UTC time. Highest daily activity and volatility of major currency pairs with euro and US dollar. High volatility attracts a large number of small and medium-sized traders. During this period, central banks, hedge funds, and institutional investors enter the market and can reverse the current trend line. Next, the American trading session begins from 13:30 to 20 UTC time. The most unpredictable trading session due to the mentality of American traders, who love risky transactions targeted at strengthening the dollar. Speculative actions are possible at any time before closing, especially on Fridays. The beginning of trading in New York is often accompanied by the publications of news and statistics, which causes an increase in the liquidity of the binary options market. During the trading session, most deals are made in minor currencies of the Americas region, such as the Brazilian real or the Mexican peso. The bulk of trades during the trading session occur between 13:30 to 17 UTC time. European players continue to remain in the market and liquidity does not decrease. At the same time, the largest ranges are absorbed on cross pairs, such as GBP CHF and GBP JPY. The reason is the nature of crosses. Two operations are required to complete a deal. For example, for GBP JPY, from the exchange's point of view, there are two pairs involved, USD JPY and GBP USD, with an inverse correlation which increases volatility. Medium and long-term strategies based on EUR USD, USD JPY, and USD CAD continue to produce stable results. By the way, in my Telegram channel, I publish deals every day so that you can find them for yourself and try to make money. Link is in description below. So, let's practice on a few deals. At the moment, we have an American trading session. And I do want to remind you that most trading begins at 13 and lasts till about 17 UTC time. And the most volatile currency pairs that give us the best results are GBP CHF, next GBP Japanese yen. Okay, and next dollar Japanese yen. And GBP USD. Okay. I'll just close the currency pairs that we are not using at the moment. And okay, let's go. Let's open a deal with GBP USD for 2 minutes. You can see how I am not using any analysis right now. As a matter of fact, we don't really need it now because we can clearly see two distinct situations. How a deal can be positive because of the resistance line right here, and it could end up in reversal. But there's also a possibility, as you can see, well, the deal is short, only 2 minutes long, so it could be positive before it hits the reversal. So let's see what happens. Exactly what I was telling you about. The deal made a profit of $62. The trend continues, but the reversal is highly possible. So let's continue with another currency pair. So I ended up actually going back to the GBP USD because the reversal was so obvious. Here we have support and resistance lines and the reversal. So the new resistance line is formed. Just a second. Here is our new resistance line. And here we have a reversal and a new trend. Great. Another deal ends up in a profit. It's a second one today for $62 and $64 accordingly. Binary options trading sessions should be taken into account when building a strategy to achieve a positive result at the end of a trading day. Special attention must be paid to automated advisors, who can quickly lose their earnings by continuing to trade in the wrong period. And don't forget to adjust for the terminal time if it does not coincide with the UTC. And now, here comes the competition that I told you about at the beginning of this video. The winner will receive $10. To enter, you need to take these 2 simple steps. Here are the 2 steps you need to take to enter the competition. First, comment below which trading session you prefer to trade on. And second, like this video. Next week, I will choose the winner among those who entered the competition. The winner will be pronounced in my Telegram channel. Don't forget to subscribe there as well. Good luck to all of you, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!